Hello, my loves. Let's enjoy this Christmas Eve with some hot cocoa and Christmas decor. This evening, I'm going to be showing you the outdoor Christmas decorations and enjoying a quiet Christmas Eve. We had a snowstorm a few days ago and it left with snow-capped shrubs and grounds, which makes the Christmas even more beautiful. So I'm going to be showing you some of the indoor decorations as well. And then right after that, I'm going to show you how to make hot cocoa and make it a little bit more Christmassy. Enjoy the show. Come on inside, have a close look. Let's take a look at the mantle, the wreath, and also the tree and some of the decorations. The fireplace mantle is decorated with garlands, stockings, and all kinds of ornaments and candles we collected over the years. We love to decorate the trees with personalized ornaments. Every Christmas, we make it a point to collect brand new ornaments and give some significance to the current year. I'm going to show you how to make hot cocoa. It's very easy. Literally 2 ingredients, just milk and chocolate chips and a touch of vanilla. That's it, nothing else. I'm also going to top it with the candy cane to make it a little bit more Christmassy. So let's get started. So this is 1/3 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. To that, add 2 tablespoons of half and half. Microwave it for 1 minute and mix it until it's smooth. Looks like the sauce is a little bit thick, so I'm gonna add a little bit more half and half, another tablespoon, and mix it again and make it into a smooth syrup. Add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix it up. Add 2 cups of whole milk. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Bring the milk to a boil. It's almost ready. Turn off the flame. Now add the prepared chocolate syrup. Mix it well. hot cocoa looks smooth and it's just about ready. To enjoy this hot cocoa, pour it into a glass. I'm going to top this with a chocolate covered marshmallow, 1 candy cane, and the candy cane will melt as you drink the cocoa. Top it off with lightly whipped heavy cream. It has the texture of a thick cream rather than whipped cream. So I just beated the whipped cream lightly to make that happen. And also add 1 square of peppermint bark, and that too will melt as you enjoy your hot cocoa. This is a perfect drink to enjoy by sitting at the fireplace and just enjoying your Christmas evening. Merry Christmas to all.